How to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Now, this is a very popular subject, isn't it? Because, for whatever reason, people don't want to put their face on camera. A lot of the time, some people don't even want to talk. However, it is 100% possible to make money on YouTube without having your face on camera, without having to talk yourself. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through this whole process because I'm sure you've seen channels on YouTube like this one over here. It's called Natural Cures. They've got over 1 million subscribers, and if we notice, all of these videos, they're all relatively short. Nobody's on camera. In this example here, they're using stock footage, which is very simple to do. Another channel is this one over here, and this is in a different niche. This is called the Young Entrepreneurs Forum, and we can see 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, not on camera, not talking. It's a genuinely simple process. So let's just have a look at, let's get a rough idea. So this Young Entrepreneurs Forum over here, how much do we think they're earning, a month? So comment down below how much you think they're earning, and we'll jump over here and we'll get a rough idea. And I say rough idea because this social blade, it will give you some, an indicator of how much they think that channel is earning. So I'm going to click on here and I'm going to paste in the username, of that channel. So we have hit that on there. Yeah, that's that done. Now let's scroll down and have a look. So how much do we think they are earning? So this social blade here, reckons that they're earning roughly yearly earnings about £16,000. Now I'm in the UK, so this is UK pricing, but I can tell you now from personal experience, this channel over here in this niche is making a lot more than that. They genuinely are doing. I mean, all of these here, this is in high, these are niches with high CPM rates. They'll be earning a lot more money for this without a doubt. Let's have a look at this one over here, this Natural Cures. Let's see how much they're roughly earning. So let's come over here and let's take that back up here. And we're going to paste that into here. And as I say, just use this as a sort of, as a tool. And if we scroll on here, I just want to show you this more. This is the more important part. You can see here, look, 19,000 subscribers, video views. This is a day, 17,000, 16. So they're getting a lot of views every single day. Let's go ahead and have a look at how much Natural Cures is roughly earning a day. I'm actually a little bit surprised by how low that was. Now let's scroll down here and see how much they reckon this channel is earning. So yearly earnings over on this channel is 40,000.4. So 40,400 a year. So in dollars that'd be about what, $48,000 a year, and that's just from YouTube AdSense. But I can tell you now from personal experience, because I've got channels in this niche and I've also got several channels over in this niche, they're earning a lot more money than these estimates over here. But again, just use this as a guide. And if we scroll down here, we can see total number of video views every single day. They're getting a hell of a lot of views, aren't they? So let's come out of here and come out of here. So how do you do this? How can you create a YouTube channel without, showing your face to make money online? Well, there's a number of steps. So step one is obviously we need to decide on a category or, a niche. So like this one over here is in, Natural Cures. This one over here, this is what? This is personal finance. Now the top niches or categories for, earning online, especially on YouTube, is health, wealth and fitness. Everybody knows that, and you can break it down a lot further in terms of, if you was to go into the wealth niche, the health niche as an example, you wouldn't just create, all videos, here, there and everywhere. You would decide like a specific part of that niche. So for example, it would be a keto plan. You could go into that, and then you could even make it, a lot more stricter or a lot more niche and go down into that niche as well. So if I come over here and we just go over to Google, I'm going to type in keto plan, or let's just type in keto. Now we can see here, look, we've got keto diet, we've got recipes, diet plan, keto breakfast. So as daft as it sounds, you could create a YouTube channel purely around keto breakfast. That is in the keto niche, which is in the wealth, the health and wellness niche. That would be, a great channel that you could start earning money from. You can then partner that up with affiliate products and earn money like that. So let me now walk you through this whole process of how I would do this from start to finish. And we're not going to be outsourcing any part of this, because I know you've probably seen videos like this on YouTube where they tell you to go and write a video script, go and get someone to read that video script for you, thumbnails, etc., etc. All of that is very costly. You're looking at around $50 to $60 per video. Now that for people with a lot of money that would work, but in this example we're going to go down a better route in my opinion. So if we was to go into this niche here, this keto breakfast, we would now go over onto YouTube and we would paste our keyword in here, and we can see here, look, 135,000 people a month are searching for keto breakfast. So I'm going to hit on there and search. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through here and find some channels in this niche, and I'm going to look at their videos. It's like this one here, Keto Focus. This would be a perfect channel. So I would open this channel up in a new tab like so, and I would come through and have a look at any of their videos related to keto breakfast. Once I've got their videos, I would make a list of them. I'd probably get from each, I would find 4 or 5 channels in the niche you're going into. I would then go over to their videos and have a look at them. And I mean, like this one here, look, Keto Focus, 400,000 subscribers. And they're uploading really short videos, 4 minutes. We've got a short here, another 4-minute video, 39 seconds, 40, etc. So I would go through and look at their top videos within our niche, so keto breakfast, and I would look at the title, and I would also look at the thumbnail and other bits. So once I've then got my list of channels, and this is known as the piggyback method. Sorry, let me skip this. And let me just pause this over here. So once we've got our channels that we're going to piggyback, and we've got our list of videos that we're going to, create ourselves, the next part of the process is obviously we'd move on to creating the video. Now, for this, we use a free piece of software. So I'll drop a link to this below for you. It's this one over here, and it's called InVideo. Now, in here, in a second, we're going to scroll down and we're going to pick some templates. Now, these are just templates, so don't worry too much about this. So there's pre-made templates, there's text to video, and there's also blank canvas. So we're just going to click, you can go with pre-made if you want, but I find that this one over here works pretty well. So we click on text to video. Then we scroll down and we click on wide, because this is the size that we want for our YouTube videos. And then we scroll further down. And now these are story templates. If we scroll further on the page, we've got lots more. And as you keep scrolling, they keep loading up for you. So pick any one. So this one here is a perfect example. So we want this wide screen. We're going to use this template. Okay. Let me just pause this. And we're going to go with this one over here. Now, the next part of this, it goes back to the script. So whatever content we write in here, this piece of software will create the video for us. So you've got a couple of options here. You can go and write your own content in here, breakfast ideas. You can go onto Google and, look at other articles and then, just rewrite that in your own words, and then, that would become the video. So up here, we've got a headline. So we just put in, let's just go with 3 simple keto breakfast ideas. Okay, so that there is essentially our title. Now we need to put some content in here. So as I mentioned, you can go on Google and do it that way, or you can literally use this piece of software over here, and you can try this out for free. I'll drop a link to this below for you. You can try this out for 10,000 words, but I'm just doing this for the sake of the video really quickly. So video, script, hook, and introduction. So I'm going to come in here. What is the video title? Well, I'm going to come back over here to the InVideo software. 3 simple keto breakfast ideas. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back over here. I'm just going to paste that into there. Tone of voice. What do I want? Do I want this witty, excited, anything? So I'm just going to go with excited. Okay. And then down here where it says outputs, it's currently on 3. So if you do want to try this out yourself, the software allows you to create an account for free, and you can use it up to 10,000 words. But basically, any words on here will deduct from that 10,000. So you'll want to take your outputs and knock it down a little bit. Now you can see on here, look, this is our hook, so the opening of the video, and then an introduction, and then literally. So let's just grab this. So look, I'm just going to grab that. Okay, I'm not going to take all of it because this video will be a bit too long. So I'm going to paste that into here. If you're looking for some delicious and healthy keto, then you'll love this video. Yeah, okay. And then we've just gone to, you know, number 1, number 2, number 3. So we click on next, and then this software over here is going to create the video for us. So we're halfway there, really. So once this loads up, it's going to have, hopefully, pretty much a full video for us. So you can see on here, this is slide 1, come down, slide 2, and you can edit any part of this. So I'm going to click on Advanced Editor here. And then it's just going to open up, and basically in this part here, I can, you know, edit any part of this that I like. So this is the opening slide, and we can see here, 3 simple keto breakfast ideas. I'm quite happy with that. If we then take this and go along to slide number 2, we have then got this. Now look, this text is, you know, it's far too small, isn't it? So we can do this. We can do this, we can move it around wherever we want on the screen, we can change the font, the colour, the text size. You know, if I wanted to, let me just click on duplicate scene, let me click on yes. If I want to spread out some of this text, so let me just go back over here now, to this one over here, then you'll love this video. So what I'm going to do here is, I'm just going to cut that. Let me see if I can do this. I'm going to get rid of that. Okay. Then you will love this video, and all of the text here will have it, let's have it in the center like so, and then let's go over to this slide here, then you'll love this video. Okay, now I'm going to just get rid of that there and keep that in there like so, and if I don't like the color of the text, I can change the color of the text. Okay, so you can see these are the primary colors, but again, if I want to change these to any colors, you can do. You can just play around with this. Okay. So you can also, by the way, you can change the font size of this, you can change the style of it, and any other part. If we don't like any of the videos that are going on behind of here, so like this first one, you know, it looks pretty good. Come along to the second one, this here, I don't even know what that is. So I'm just going to type in over here on the left hand side where it says search videos, I'm just going to type in keto breakfast like so. And what's going to happen now is it brings up all of these videos related to keto breakfast. So I'm just going to grab one. Let's just take this one. I'm going to put this over here. Now, what would you like to do? Replace this, add as a layer. Well, I want to replace it. And then we can go over here. We can trim the scene to fit the video, or we can use the full video. Well, I want to trim it, obviously. So I click on trim and I click on done. And now, in a second, it's now changed. So let's go back over here and have a look at how this video is looking so far. So we can click on play. So that's how it's looking so far. So I think you'll agree. It looks pretty good. We haven't had to spend too much time on this. Now we have a few more things. You've got, well, you don't have to. You can literally upload this with the music as is. Or you can do a voiceover. Now on here, there's automated text-to-speech, but realistically, if you want the best results from this, I would say, you know, just record a voiceover. So you can literally click on here and you would literally read the text for each slide. If you didn't want that, then obviously you could outsource it to someone else, but it doesn't take long. And if you really don't want to do that, you can literally just leave the music on down here. And if you don't like this music, you can come over here on the left hand side and you can change the music. There's thousands of music tracks in here that you can use. But basically, once you've gone through this process and we're happy with this, what do? Well, we go over here and we click download and share video. So once that video has then been downloaded, we would need to obviously create a thumbnail for the video. And the best way to look at, you know, what's working on YouTube is if we just go back over to keto over here, and we'll just type in keto, we'll just search keto breakfast again. We're just looking at what, you know, what other people's doing basically, and we're having a look. So this one here, it's getting 104 views per hour. It was uploaded 9 months ago, so that tells me this here is working. This thumbnail is working. If we scroll down here, look, for 10 months ago, it's still getting 50 views an hour. So that thumbnail is working as well. So what can we, you know, what can we see from this? Well, we can see basically putting the food in and the word keto within our thumbnail is what is currently working on YouTube. So we're not having to reinvent the wheel here. We're just looking at a method which is already working. We're just putting our own spin on this. Okay, so at this moment in time, we've done our script. We have got our thumbnail done. We've got our actual video done. The next part of the whole process is we'd upload that video to YouTube. But there's one other thing I want to mention to you. And that is, sorry, when I'm looking down, I'm looking at my notes, by the way. The final thing I want to say to you is, we're not just going to rely on, uploading a video to YouTube and hoping and praying that that video just takes off, because before you can get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours view time. And that can take a long time for some people. I know how to get a YouTube channel monetized in 2 weeks or less, and I'll share that with you in a bit. But in the meantime, what we want to do is we want to find a product or products related to our niche and literally just share a link in the YouTube description to earn money. Really simple place to do this is you can come over to this one over here, and it's called Clickbank. Now, you sign up for free as an affiliate. Once you've signed up, you come over to the marketplace over here and literally just type in products. So let's just type in keto and let's see what's on there. And then we can see on here, look, the keto shortcut system. This has an average conversion of $31.83. So if I click on here, it will open up into a new tab. You can go ahead and have a look at this. So look, this is the easiest, fastest way to hack the keto diet. So, do you think someone who's watching a video on YouTube about the keto diet would be? Absolutely. So all we do here is, inside of here, we click on promote, whichever one you want to go with. So you'd find one and you'd, have a look at the sales page, make sure you're happy with this. We'd click on promote. And then what happens here is you get a box that opens up like this. And then it will tell you exactly how much you can earn from that. Oh no, not that one. Let me scroll down. Click on there. And you can see here, look, you can earn 75% commission for everyone you send to this product, basically. So you'd click on generate hop link. And then you get a link, which is your own unique link, which tracks anyone who clicks that link back to you on Clickbank, and you earn an affiliate commission. In this example, you can earn 75% of whatever that customer purchases. So I think you'll agree, it's pretty good, isn't it? Just for the sake of going that one step further and adding an affiliate link in your description on YouTube. So that there would now be my link, and I include that in YouTube. And that's the whole process of how this works. You could go a step further and include something like an autoresponder, which is basically whereby we capture somebody's email list and then we can follow up with them at a later date about, relevant products and things. But that's another step. Now, all of this is incredibly simple. I will drop links to in video below for you. I will also drop a link over to this software over here that I use. You can check this out, but you don't have to use this software. You can just rewrite the script yourself and then go over to InVideo and create your video and upload it. And if you want to learn more about this process of earning money on YouTube without showing your face with affiliate marketing, there will be a link to my course down below. There's also a free course, and yeah, this will show you the whole process from start to finish. We cover, we've got lots of stuff inside of this course here, but we have testimonials from people who are, taking the course, actually, going through this and earning money. You can check this out down below if you want to also. And then finally, over on my website, we've got lots more articles on here for making money with YouTube, how to, grow your channel, tips for affiliate marketing, and lots more. But look, that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.